Good. Hey, so big shout out to Jaritos. Michelada. Wow, that's good. So now here we go. So now, doing a tour of 2025 Bar Restaurant Expo. Some really cool stuff here.
Okay, this is robot time.
Yes. Hey, how's it going, guys? No, you good? Mike, nice to meet you. Yes. Where you guys from? Canada. Welcome to Vegas. So, hey, dude, what do you have here? Chef Bot, can you show me, talk to me about this?
Okay, Mike, welcome, and guys, welcome to Bot in Kitchen. Okay, this is our brand, and we are working together with Robolight. Okay, this is our robot in kitchen. Okay, we simplify it to Bot in Kit. Okay.
So it makes food?
Yes, it produces good food. You can see the variation that we have. You know,
Oh, so what you have made so far? Some rice?
We have Tex-Mex, you know, chicken and shrimp.
It must be a good chef Bot because everybody's eating it up.
Everything I got, everything on. So I'm happy for that.
Awesome.
So,
What's your name, Chef?
I'm Chef Fami.
Chef Fami? Okay.
Yes, okay.
Pleasure.
So today I'm going to do a very simple demo for you. We're going to do a fried rice. Okay. So it's so simple that it's just a button.
No way.
process.
That easy.
So okay, the recipe are already pre-loaded inside.
He's gonna do my laundry.
It's a Chef Bot.
Yeah, it's a
Yes.
chef bot, okay. So it's we call this Omni. The name of the robot is Omni.
Okay.
So,
Omni? Chef Omni?
Yes, Omni.
All right,
Omni.
I'll see.
I'm Fami, so don't get confused. It's two different things. Okay?
Amazing.
So what happened? You can see now it's pre-seasoned the pot. So it brings the temperature up
Wow.
to 200 degrees. We already set.
This is 200 degrees.
Yeah. No, but again, the temperature of this pot, we can bring it up to 700.
700 degrees?
700. So it's 350 Celsius.
FYI, it's approaching. It's already
Yeah.
food temperature wise at 175 and in America, but that's Celsius or Fahrenheit. FYI, guys.
So for Fahrenheit, you know, we require roughly around 400. So when it reaches to 200, and then it will inject the oil from the nozzle. Okay, you can see here, all these are the steps.
Oh, she's ready.
Yeah, she's ready. Basically, she's ready.
It's already done.
Yeah, so he'll tell you the next step. Okay, what you need to do. So you put in onion or you put in garlic. So you will have that
Yeah.
step by step.
Yeah.
And you can either look at the LED, look at the screen. Can you hear that?
Oh, this is really cool.
Yeah,
It's
it-
hot. You can
Yes.
see the oil. You can see the seasoning.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Oh, wow. Sauteing. This is literally an AI Chef Bot, guys. 2025 Bar and Restaurant Expo.
It's gonna replace my wife, man.
so you have to.
Sorry, he was joking. Oh man, Chef, this smells great.
Yeah. So
Oh, what's that in there? Some rice?
rice, whole rice done inside.
What's the yellow stuff? For those who don't, eggs. Fried rice, guys. Right now, live.
Basically, it's still on its own. Okay, guys, it's still on its own. You don't have to do anything.
It stirs on its
Yeah.
own,
You
Oh.
can see.
and it smells good. For those who are watching, bro, it smells like,
So now it asks to add mixed vegetable.
oh man. We got some carrots, some peas.
Yeah, you don't have to worry. You just add whatever that they ask on the raw mat. But again, on the seasoning, it will depend on its own. So you can see what happened after this. Okay, we have all this.
So what does that do? Oh, seasoning?
Yeah, we have salt, we have pepper, we have bouillon. You know,
There's another little AI bot back there.
so you can see that.
Oh!
So you will have the same consistent seasoning.
Same product every time.
Yes, you know, from the first one until the last one that you serve, you know, you will have 5 grams of salt. Yeah, and then you see,
Yes.
yeah, and then you see that you pump in
Yeah.
the light soya sauce. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Bro!
So we have light soya sauce, we have wine, we have vinegar, we have sesame oil, whatever that you need for the dish, everything will dispense from the machine.
And it does it automatically. Just gonna pour it in the side.
Yeah. So now that is the last thing. Okay, I don't have green onion, but what I'm going to do is cilantro.
Can't go wrong with some cilantro. Chef Kusari. Chef Kush.
Done. Okay, you can see. Finish, it's 2 seconds.
Wow.
I want to try this
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
So what happened? Standard output. Don't worry, the machine won't kill you. Okay? You still the man in power.
Wow. Bro, you just made an entire meal
How easy is that to clean?
in 5 minutes.
Yes, less than 5 minutes, bro.
Wow.
So
Less than 5 minutes.
we have the
Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me some fresh stuff. Miss, come here. It's made by a chef robot right here, an AI bot. Fresh, try it right now. What's your name? Where you from?
I'm from California.
California, nice. Try this. Fried rice right here, really cool. Chef Bot made this in 5 minutes. This is the future. We don't know her, she just walked up. Try it.